Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another Christmas post box. I start off with, I received a letter from a guy I've been talking to for a while. He said he had a coin that I needed for my date run, and I said, oh, I'd be interested, let's do something. His name's Ian, and he sent me a package, a self-addressed envelope. He also sent me, you see it, it's a 20p. I believe it's from it's from the year 2000, and it's one of the ones I needed for my date run. To my surprise, he also sent me all of these. Whoops, let's just get... He knows that I like stamps, and he sent me these. There's some there from the Civil War, Charles Dickens, Columbus. There's some Christmas stamps there, along with the Royal Society stuff. There's this year's Christmas stamp. There's a Canadian stamp that I think came off one of the previous letters. There's stamps of London Bridge. That one there's a bit creased. I'm not sure who it's from. I think it's one of these ones from the series. And then you've got the Olympic Games. Another Christmas one. I think that's Canada. An old style stamp. I think it's an old 20p stamp. We've then got some from Jersey. Some wildlife stamps there. Again, some more Christmas stamps, which I'm very grateful for because they're all part of the same deal and they're all ideal for me. He's also sent me one of these for him to sign. As you can't see that, it's a bunny. He sent me a bunny through. Oops, let's get it down there. He's asked me to sign it and return it to him, and of course I'll gladly do that for him. So that was off Ian. Well, here are the other ones that I've got for this one. Monaco ones and the Canadian ones I've already shown you. I got, from a friend of mine who posted them on to me, these two. Next. They're the same coin. Unfortunately, you sellotape them inside a package, inside the protectors. So they're a little bit sticky, but there we go. We've got one, two. They're the same coin. Oh, come on. They, of course, are the Memorial 50p that's gone into circulation. These he got from the post office in his change. He asked for a couple of them in his change. I think he got 6 of them in total, and he kindly sent 2 of them on to me. I've sort of reimbursed him for them, of course. You don't expect things for nothing. So that was wonderful. I've managed now, I've got the 2. I've got the Charles III memorial coin. That's for his mother. That is part of the which has just been released into circulation. This last one, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a bit of a crack. It's one of these sets, but the top itself is cracked and badly marked. However, the coin set that's inside is so different, and I've been looking for a while. I thought, well, the coins aren't affected, so I'll buy them. And it is in fact the 200-year memorial set, or bicentennial set, for the Mutiny of the Bounty. Produced by the Isle of Man. It's 4 crowns. with a map of Australia around it. I will, as I will do with other things, I will be doing this as a separate video. So, what else has been in? Well, I'm going to put a bit of news in here, along with the stuff that we've produced, or I've got, to help pad this out and to also look forward. And it's this one here. I've got two pieces of information I'm going to share with you. One of which will be done now, and one of which will be added to my New Year's Eve video. The one that is going to be added to my New Year's Eve video, which is looking forward to 2023, is a list of the known coins that are going to be released in 2023, which has just come out recently. The second one was a list that I took down off the Royal Mint website. It tells us that in 2021, which is the latest figures that have been made available, the 1p had a mintage of 56 million, the 2p had a mintage of 117,700,000. Now, there's been a lot of rumours that these coins are up for being chopped out of the out of our circulating currency, but I can't see that coming. If they're going to put 117.7 million and put the resources of the energy and the metals to make those coins, they ain't going anywhere. Also, if you look back at 2020 and 2017, which were the last two times that the 1p was produced, this year we had 56 million for the 2021. 2020 was 88 million at 71,910. And then in 2017, which was the year previous to that 1p's were released, there's 240,990,600. Believe me, those of you who say the 1 and 2p's on the way out are talking rubbish. 5p, mintage 28 million. If there was one to go, I'd have thought it would have been the 5p and perhaps the 20p, and they combine the two and make it similar to the quarter in America, 25p, quarter of a pound. But the 5p is 28 million this year. The 20p is 19,600,000. So whether in the shuffle over the next few years, whether the 5p and 20p are combined and made into a quarter, something similar to a quarter pound, or a 25p piece, which was the old crown. Who knows? It's a possibility, I suppose. The 10p, 71,200,000. Why the hell wasn't some of that, 5 million of those, put into coins, something similar to the A to Zs? Seems a waste of a lot of 10p's. When we could have had more stuff that people are interested in collecting. The big one for 2021, the big news is that there wasn't any circulating 50p's of the shields. So if you find a shield of 2021 in your change, then it's been broken out of a set. The £1 coin, there's 21,760,000. And the £2 coin, there's 6,045,000. Again, like the 10p's, the 2p's are renowned for having commemorative coins on them. Why didn't they make some of those 2 million of those? Of the 6 million of the £2 coins? Why didn't they release some of them, or have them in storage ready to go, of some of the circulating coins that we had in 2021, which I think would have been the, if I remember rightly, 2021 would have been the Sir Walter Scott and oh blimey, was it the one with the telephone? I've forgotten who it was now. So, what do you think of those coin marches? And the fact that we didn't have any 50p's, and we've not... Did we have any circulating 50p's that were commemorative in 2021? I don't think we did we? We had the two in 2020, which were two very large mintages of 20 million each, or 10 million each, of the diversity and the Brexit. But I don't remember any other coins in 2021 being released. Still, those are the mintage figures. Make of them what you will. As I said, I'm very surprised there were no 50p's released, although having said that, there was an awful lot in 2019, and also in 2020 there was another 20 million produced plus. So no, it doesn't surprise me an awful lot that there was none minted in there last year, definitive ones anyway. So that in itself now closes this particular video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you all again very shortly, hopefully. And until we do, from me, bye bye now for now. Ta-ra.